Hello everybody and welcome to this video. This side Sayed, and in this video we're going to be looking at the business transparency and identification policy compliance in according to Google Merchant Center 2026 update. So recently made a video on how you can get verified with Google Merchant Center. They ask for your selfie, they ask for your identity verification, front document and the back side of your document. So let me quickly go through the business details in the Merchant Center. You go to the left side of your account and you see your business details. So now these details should be exactly matching with your identity verification documents. Like if we go to the payments.google.com, you will see your profile details, your business address, your business name, and the email and the phone number as well. So now if we see that we have the business details here, Buy Best Furniture Shop, and the address below this business name, we have our Merchant Center ID here. Now what we need to do, we need to exactly copy and paste all these details to our footer area, and we need to mention that if we are a company operated store, I'm sorry for that, or a solo trader. If you're a solo trader, Google allows you to list your name, show your name or your company name in the footer area, that you are actually operating this business model. Like you are the person behind this business. For example, the Buy Best Furniture Shop is operated by this person over here, solo trader. You need to mention this specifically so that Google bot or the Google manual review person is not going to think that you are hiding something from them. So it's super simple that you actually need to have the transparent details and the business transparency. You are actually complying with the policies based off of your Google Merchant Center. You are fully compliant to the policies of Google. If there is a mismatch between your identity verification and the website footer, you will be instantly rejected by the team or the automated bot that will be scrolling throughout the footer and check your dissolved company, or you have the closed company, the closed solo trader details in your footer. You will be instantly rejected. So that's how you actually pass the holistic review process, or you can say the holistic pass. And it's the latest update according to Google Merchant Center. I have explained it to you. So you need to be fully compliant, or you need to take care of your business details if you are a solo trader or you have a company registered document. So make sure you have physical address as well. You don't have you don't need to have your virtual PO box or office address like that. You need to have a physical address within the country you are operating your business in. So I hope you have a better idea now about the business transparency and the identification and the recent update by Google Merchant Center. So if so, please sub to the channel and press the notification bell. Comment down below if you want something more unique, or you want something more about Google Merchant Center, like you want update on suspension, misrepresentation,